This model kit review is of the AT-ST from the Star Wars movie, and it is actually a 1/48 scale model by Bandai. And we have, well, this is artist rendition, but here we have some pictures and some pictures of the actual model there. Here we have some of the pictures here of the model from the front, back and sides. So let's have a look inside. Like each one is individually wrapped. Let's start with this one here. Looks like we have a little base here. So here's the base. You can see where the feet go, and looks like we have a Wookiee here. And I do like the way that they do these mixed sprues for different colors. We have lots of pipes. I don't really know what any of these parts are, but they're all very well molded here, with no mold lines, no flashing at all, and great levels of detail. And Bandai models go together exceptionally well. The parts fit perfectly. Here's the other one here from there. We've got our pilot there. Looks like we've got some maybe leg parts there. But just excellent molding. So here's the parts of the cockpits. And just look at that level of detail there. That's just amazing. You know, all the controls, these are the sides here of the cockpit, and that's the top there. Just incredible amounts of detail and exceptionally well molded. So here you can see on the other side these parts that go together absolutely perfectly. Here's the cockpit seats. And look at that detail there. It really is incredible. Okay. So here's another pilot, and see some guns here. These are probably for the sides. More leg parts here. And then the last sprue here is our main hull, and with some leg parts here. Just incredible amounts of detail, and so perfectly molded. Okay, so we have decals and stickers, which is nice because I prefer the decals, but stickers for those who want them. And then our instructions. If we can get it open. Okay, so we have our parts listing there. And here's number 1. So these are the parts. Let's see. So we're building the base here. And looks like the gun's also going to get built in this section. Then we're going to build the right leg. The instructions really make it very easy to follow. And looks like you're going to be able to move the legs. And let's see here. Then we've got the left leg. And then we've got the cockpit, the front of the cockpit there. And then let's have a look on the back here. There we go. It's a little confusing, the order. And then we've got the top and sides. And then our guns. So that's actually where our guns are going to get built. And then we put it on the base. Now, somewhere over here we go. We have our painting and decals. And there's the color guide. Really not a lot of color. These are mostly just grey, but you can see inside the cockpit there. So all in all, this is going to be a great model to build. Bandai makes exceptional level quality models. I wish they'd make other things.